morning students. Welcome back to your online tutorial class. In the previous class, we discussed about the introduction of chapter 4, Our Country India, and got to know a little about India's location. Today, we are going to learn more about that chapter. But before starting, we are just going to do the quick revision of whatever we learned in the previous class. As we have already discussed yesterday about the location of India, I would like to ask you two questions. My first question is, in which continent is India located? Yes, you are right. India is located in the largest continent, Asia. My second question is, what is the rank of India in world in terms of its size? Yes, you are right. India ranked 7th in terms of its size.
Now you have to look at the physical map of India and observe the natural boundaries of India.
As we have seen the physical map of India and observed the natural boundaries of India, we can now say that India is surrounded by 4 boundaries. First, in the north, the northern mountains or the Himalayas. In the west, the Arabian Sea. In the east, Bay of Bengal. And in the south, Indian Ocean. So, there are total 4 boundaries of India in the north, west, east and south. All the 3 west, south and east are covered with water, while if we talk about northern boundary, it is a landform mountain.
Location and natural boundaries. India is surrounded by water on 3 sides and mountains on the 4th. In the north of India is the world's highest mountain range, the Himalayas. To the east is the Bay of Bengal. To the south is the Indian Ocean, and to the west is the Arabian Sea. Thus, India is a triangular-shaped peninsular country.
As you have seen in the video, India is covered from natural boundaries from all the directions. India is surrounded by water on the 3 sides, while mountains on the 4th. In the northern part of India, there are huge mountains which are known as Himalayas. Himalayas are the world's highest mountain range. Bay of Bengal to the east, Indian Ocean to the south and Arabian Sea on the west. In this way, India is a peninsular country. That means surrounded 3 sides with water and 1 side with mountain.
Now we are going to discuss some fun facts about Himalayas. Himalayas. The word Himalayas means house of snow. The Himalayas are a mountain range in the South Asia. They run through Jammu and Kashmir into the Republic of India's Himachal Pradesh and Uttaranchal states, Nepal, and the kingdoms of Sikkim and Bhutan. There are 15 highest mountains in the world which are in Himalayas. The main ones are Mount Everest, K2, Annapurna and Naga Parbat. The Himalayas are so high that they kept Indian and Chinese people separate from each other from ancient times. Now we are going to discuss some important and fun facts about Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is one of the largest sea of the world. Arabian Sea is a part of Indian Ocean. It is actually the northwestern branch of Indian Ocean. The sea is bounded by 3 large peninsula, which are Indian Peninsula, Arabian Peninsula and the Horn of Africa. The sea has borders with Asian countries such as India, Pakistan, Iran, Oman, United Arab Emirates and Yemen. Arabian Sea is economically very important due to the presence of huge oil fields of Arabia. Now, let's just discuss about the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is located in the northeastern part of Indian Ocean. The Bay of Bengal is considered to be the world's largest water region referred to as a bay. The Bay of Bengal encompasses a surface area of 8,39,000 square miles. Countries with coastline along the Bay of Bengal include Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka. Now, let's just discuss about Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is located between Africa and Australasia and the Southern Ocean. Indian Ocean is actually the youngest of the major oceans. Indian Ocean is the world's third largest ocean and it covers 20% of Earth's surface after the Pacific and the Atlantic Oceans. Indian Ocean produces around 40% of the world's offshore oil production.
Why are the boundaries so important? Boundaries help us to know the exact location and the size of the country. It also helps in the safeguard measures of the country. All countries keep an eye on the boundaries to check the unknown activities by other countries, and all the countries also safeguard their boundaries so that to prevent their country from any mishappenings. As we have discussed today's topic, the natural boundaries of India, now we will have a quick revision of the topic. I told you that there are natural boundaries which cover India from all the sides. In the north, there are Himalayas. In the west, Arabian Sea. In the east, Bay of Bengal. And in the south, Indian Ocean. So, from that we can know that the three sides of India is covered with water, while the fourth one, there is a mountain. India is a peninsular country because it is surrounded three sides with water. I hope you are clear with today's topic. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the neighbor countries of India.
Thanks for watching this video. Lastly, I want to say, wear your mask and follow social distancing. Toodles!